Question given to us is a compound A, C8H10O is found to react with NaOI produced by reacting Y with NaOH and yields a yellow precipitate with characteristics met. We have to tell what are A and Y. So here A and Y respectively are 1 phenyl ethanol and iodine. When NaOI it oxidizes with 1 phenyl ethanol to methyl ketone, which gives us positive iodoform test. The yellow precipitate is of iodoform. Hence, our reaction chain that will be formed will be therefore our correct option is answer number 3.